Do not worry, do not fear. God is going to take care of us. You see the birds, they don't be tripping. The cure for anxiety. Therefore, I tell you, stop being worried or anxious, perpetually uneasy or distracted about your life as to what you would eat or what you would drink, nor about your body as to what you would wear. Is life not more than food, and body more than clothing? Look at the birds of the air. They neither sow seed nor reap the harvest, nor gather the crops into barns, and yet your heavenly Father keeps feeding them. Are you not much more worthy than they are? And who of you by worrying can add 1 hour to the length of his life? And why are you worried about clothes? See how the lilies and the wild flowers of the field grow? They neither labor nor spin wool to make clothing. Yet I say to you that not even Solomon in all his glory and splendor dressed himself like one of these. But if God so clothed the grass of the field, which is alive green today, and tomorrow is cut down and thrown as fuel into the furnace, will he not much more clothe you, O you of little faith? Therefore do not worry or be anxious, uneasy or distracted, saying, what are we going to eat? What are we going to drink? Or what are we going to wear? For our God is great and greatly to be